Hello Sir Fitz, what is the best pool funds for retirement? Isa po akong OFW. Salamat. So, it depends on how many years before you retire. Toto Car Stories. Okay? So, if you're going to retire in 5 years or more, then I would say yung mga equity funds will be a good candidate for you to invest in for your retirement. So, merong equity funds, mga equity growth funds, mga index funds. Those are very good candidates if you are going to retire in 5 years or more. Okay? So, kung 10 years ka pa bago mag-retire yan, pwede yan. But if you are planning to retire in 5 years or less, then probably wag ka na mag-invest sa mga pool funds kasi it would, if you don't have sources of income yet, then I would say it's best to focus on creating a source of income. Why? Because you are an OFW. I am assuming that if you want to retire, you're planning to go back to the country. So ang tanong ngayon is, saan ka kukuha ng pera mo pag uwi mo? So you have to think about where you would get your cash flow when you come back home. And a lot of OFWs, ang pinag-i-investa nila is either they franchise a business or they invest in rental properties. Okay? So, yun yung ma-advise ko sa'yo if you plan to retire in 5 years or less. But if you are going to retire 5 years or more and you want to invest in pooled funds, then check out mga equity funds. And if you plan to retire in the Philippines, I would advise that you invest in the Philippines. Okay? So, may mga kilala kasi ako, they are based in another country. So, for example, they are based in Singapore and they are planning to retire in Singapore then my advice to them is check out the investments in Singapore kasi doon ka na mag-invest kasi doon mo rin plano mag-retire. So, invest where you plan to retire. So, kung plan yung bumalik sa Pilipinas, then mag-invest ka for the long term sa Pilipinas for your retirement. So, yan yung mga thoughts ko dyan sa tanong mo, Toto Car. So, I hope I was able to answer your question. So, which specific fund can you invest in? I would say na kung saan convenient kasi pag long term naman, it doesn't really matter anymore kung saan, basta mas convenient sa'yo mag-invest para mas regular mo na mas regular ka nakakapag-invest. Kasi if you look at the long-term growth of mga equity funds, hindi naman ganun ka layo yung pagkakaiba nila. Usually mga 1%, 1-2% lang yung difference nila. And of course, if it is a long-term investment, you can always invest on different kinds of equity funds. So don't just look at who is the best performing fund. I would advise na prioritize investing in funds where it is accessible to you. Okay?